We should always remember unity is strength. Unity in diversity in India is living proof that despite different religions, cultures, and languages, people of India live together with love and peace. Unity is very important for any team or group. If we are united, we can enjoy the taste of success. India is a country where all kinds of people, caste, religion live together happily. We also have different food habits, tradition, livelihood. We participate and celebrate various festivals together. The people in unity suffer less stress as they solve problems together. It not only makes us happy but also gives a feeling of togetherness. That is why India is called Unity in Diversity. In this year, little starlings of Stemwell School of Pre-Primary are presenting the concept of unity in diversity in a very joyful way. Let's thank them with a round of applause.